Rama 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 Hare Hare. Hare Krishna. So, అంతా తెలుగులోనా? Anyway, so here this is a very important in Kali Yuga. No matter what activity you do, like I was hearing once my spiritual master was telling, whatever activity you do, even in a Navavida Bhakti Marga also, maybe Shravanam, Kirtanam, or Vandanam, Padasevanam, whatever activity, whatever the devotional activity you do, if that activity is not associated with the Sankirtan, it is not complete. So you may be worshipping Lord, if you just worship, it is not complete. When somebody is worshipping, we should sing the Kirtans. If you are distributing prasadam, don't distribute just prasadam. There should be Hare Krishna mantra. So like that, everything will be completed when you have Sankirtan with that. So here also, these Naimisharanya Brahmanas, they were not small or simple or not qualified. They were properly, perfectly qualified people. It's not like 20, 30 people or 40, 50 people sitting. Huge. They were sitting like now Vrindavan we have a 12 vana, 12 vana. So to take a parikrama 30 days they'll go different places. But in the Naimisharanya they were sitting in the different vanas, far places, and the chief speaker was one. He doesn't have this kind of speaker. Just he was sitting and speaking, and everybody could hear that. That was of course later part. First part they were doing a yajna. How they could hear. Such qualified people they were. And they were doing the yajna. What they are getting? Smoke. And they are becoming black. What to speak about us? What to speak about other Brahmanas who are available now? They were so qualified. And you know what they have written here in purport? The sacrificial fire kindled by the sages of Naimisharanya was certainly full of smoke and doubts because of so many flaws. So many flaws. The first flaw is that there is an acute scarcity of expert Brahmanas able to carry out such performance successfully in this age of Kali. First point, what is that? If you want to do sacrifice, the first point is qualified Brahmana. So it's a scarcity, acute scarcity, you are saying. When they are there, starting of Kali Yuga, end of Dwapara Yuga, then only scarcity of Brahmanas who can perform properly. Now, it's very difficult. So that's why these people were not normal. So now we may get a question that, Prabhu, how come they were such a qualified people? How come they are not able to do it? See, ultimately, whatever we do as a jiva, ultimate sanction should be done by Paramatma Bhagavan. In Kali Yuga, Lord said that you can please me by chanting my names. That is the Yuga Dharma has given for Kali Yuga. But we can do sacrifice, we can do other things. When Lord has given some set of rules, everybody has to follow. If they follow only, they will get the result. For Kali Yuga, Lord has given a Nama Sankirtan. But what these sages are doing? They are doing yajna. Even though you are qualified, if you won't follow the orders of the Lord, if you won't follow the dharma of the Yuga, you won't get results. There were many sages who are qualified before. Vishwamitra. There are many. They could sit for thousands of years for doing tapasya. But now you see, if you compare with them, we are not even ant also. We cannot compare, first of all. The amount of penances they follow. And we aram say, one day we wake up 4 o'clock, we'll chant, another day we wake up 10 o'clock to chant. But still, Lord is No, taking our